So yeah. By the way, I have my volume at max, and my hold on, I'm gonna show you my in-game audio at 33, but I'll make it 45. Sure, why not? Oh yeah, this is way too loud. So I'm just gonna like play some Skywars with this. Oh my, the floor is creaking, bro. I'm a whole 1,000 pounds, dude. Oh, if you want the texture pack, I'm just gonna like. So, damn. As I was saying, if you want the texture pack, I'm just gonna like show a screenshot. I'm just gonna go straight to it, I guess. Oh my. Yeah, we're just gonna ignore that game. Unlike last game, I'm actually like not stacked at all. There's someone here. Oh wait, they just fell, thank God. Dude, the music is so loud. Bro. This is so loud. Bro. That is way too loud. Oh my God. Dude, don't third party. Bro, it sounds like I'm using an iPhone. Is he gonna, bro? He's gonna miss that. Oh my God, you guys are so dumb. I meant like the players, not my fans. I'm just gonna. Alright, GG's. God damn. If you want the texture pack, just remember it's, bro, the fireworks are so loud. It's 80 megabytes. It's made by PE. If you want the texture packs, again, I'm just gonna put a screenshot. Okay, bye.